So here we are, back with the Trans Am. It's in a little bit worse shape than I remember, but actually the top doesn't look too bad. I mean, the top of the car. She's very dirty. We're gonna go ahead and wash it and see what we got left. So that is the goal for the day. The floors seem to be okay. I mean, unfortunately, I have the carpet on top, so you can't really tell. You can certainly see that there has been some water getting in, which is not great. This seat used to be in fantastic shape, but unfortunately, it's starting to see its age too. Really hoping that like an upholstery shop can save and redo them, but I don't know. They might be too far gone at this point, and I don't know how easy it's going to be to find PMDs. Man, my dash used to be perfect, and sadly that's just not the case anymore. But yeah, these chrome trim pieces are pretty rare, so I have those for new door panels. The door seems to be in okay shape. Obviously the rubber isn't, but we'll see. I think if I remember correctly, this door was starting to rust in some spots, so we'll have to really give that a good look. 15-inch Knight Rider turbo cast wheels, so those are really hard to find in the 15-inch variant. You can find 14s all over the place, but not the 15s. So that's that. This side has a flat. I knew that the front was flat. It was flat when I parked it, and so but all the other tires are up. Definitely got a good amount of surface rust here, but it doesn't look like it's not into the car. So that's actually could probably be sanded out and saved, I hope. So that's that. This back glass is pretty rare. You always see them with the defroster in it. Mine didn't have it. Yeah, look at that. Interior carpet is horrible, but it was pretty bad when I parked it too. So I mean, just getting stains. The driver's side floor looks horrible, and I mean, pretty much as soon as I get it back to my house, I'm gonna have to rip the carpet out. There's just no getting around it, and we'll start sanding it down and putting Pour 15 everywhere that we can. After I parked it, somebody ran into the front of it here when it was snowing. So, unfortunately, I got a nice dent to work with in that fender. And those 82, 84 fenders are hard to find. So, the engine. The hood latch is stuck. I remember when I parked it that it was broken. So in order to get under the hood, you have to go underneath the car and flick the tab. And I'm not doing that today, it's raining. So anyway, it's raining. It's a perfect day to wash all the junk off because it's had some time to get wet. So that's what I'm gonna do today. And then I'm gonna see what I got left over. I mean, the front seats look really bad. I'm really upset about it, to be honest, but I might have some leads on some Pirella cloth, and we can do all the seats together. I might look into just replacing everything here, but definitely going to be trying to look for some PMDs. All right. Well, there's that. I don't know if I'm going to do the Knight Rider car. I'm probably just going to restore it as it sits. The red light is there. I don't know if it's operational. It's been so long since I've been in the car. I'm sure all the wiring is trash now because of probably mice, but yeah, this is where we're at for now. But yeah, just we'll tune in later and see how far I get today. And yeah, if I still got light, I will go ahead and record another video of it all cleaned up. So thanks for following along. This is going to be Trans Am Restoration episode number 1. You know me, I'm a Subaru guy, but this was my first car. It was my first love. So yeah, really happy to see that shift knob is still in good shape. I bought that NOS, and I can't find any more of them. And that's an 83 Trans Am shifter, 1983, and it was brand new when I bought it, and it still looks brand new now. So very happy to see that in good shape. So Yeah, which, I mean, I'm going to try and put that on the T56. We'll see. If it fits on the T56, I'll be really happy. Thanks for following along, guys, and I'll post some more video later.